Pranam to all. I hope you are all fine. Today I will make a fertilizer which will improve plant growth. It is really easy to make and very effective for the plants. For this, you need some mature aloe vera leaves. Previously, we have also uploaded a video about how to make aloe vera fertilizer, but that takes some days to make. But this aloe vera fertilizer, you can use it as soon as you make it. Aloe vera is absolutely loaded with nutrients. Studies show that aloe vera contains over 75 beneficial compounds, including amino acid, antioxidant, complex carbohydrate, calcium, magnesium, zinc, vitamins A, B, C, D, etc. and more. When you make an homemade fertilizer from aloe vera, your plants receive a gentle but potent boost of nutrition. You just have to simply cut it in small pieces and then dip it in some water. After you cut it into pieces, you just have to stain the water. After the staining, you can see a yellow color water, but you don't have to throw the water away. Did you know this yellow water contains aloe latex? It is very bitter in taste. Did you know this yellow liquid contains glycoproteins, fatty acid, enzymes, urea, nitrogen, phenol, sulfur, fiber, etc. So you just have to put the yellow liquid in a spray bottle and then spray it on the foliage of your plants. This is also a very good insecticide that will help you get rid of those insects that attack your plants. Believe me, we don't use any chemical pesticide or insecticides in our garden. My mom frequently applies this aloe vera latex water. Okay, time to finally show you what is the real fertilizer. Blend the small pieces of aloe vera. My mom used 4 leaves of aloe vera. Then she diluted it with water and then got 15 liters of fertilizer. Before getting started, keep in mind that it is best to use homemade aloe vera fertilizer within 20 minutes of mixing it. One cut, processed and exposed to your fresh aloe vera very quickly ferments and begins to degrade. Apply half a cup up to 2 cups of aloe vera fertilizer to each plant. There are 2 main ways to feed plant with the aloe vera fertilizer: through a soil drench or apply as a foliar spray. The best is the soil drench, as the plant soaks up all the goodies from its roots. contrast, you can spray dilute aloe vera directly on plant leaves. Foliar sprays enable plants to readily absorb nutrients directly into their vascular system, though it takes a little more effort to prepare and apply. That's the reason my mom likes to use the soil drench method more than the foliar spray method. You can also use the leftover aloe vera pieces as a compost. You can apply it twice a month and get a wonderful result for your plant. I hope this will be helpful to you. We have uploaded a lot of videos about how to make homemade fertilizers in our channel. So if you are interested, you can also watch those videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.